I'm getting a haircut from my friend's brother tomorrow. Haircut.
So what, do you want your face like this? Like realistic? Yeah? That was funny. His nieces come over. She's over. All the time fucking mom here.
Go back. One room. This game. How you want to play this game? Why you want to play this game? It's actually fun. I give you good
You
things.
got me? And it's perfect because we look so skinny. Say skinny?